omwirukangyi Cosmas amumpire kuruga omuri ntungamo wabo wakashatu omu kilometers 5 mu bojo niwe wenka Nyamunegero wajangwa omu basinguzi b'empaka za Olympics de Tokyo Run ezabo mu Rushenyi kandi zikasingurwa abirukangyi kuruga omu kyanga kya Sebeyi abahangura emididi y'esente.
Cosmas, the son of the soil.
Nk'oku kibire nikimanywa omwirukangyi Abel Chebet yasingura okwiruka kilometers 21 omu bashaija nikwe kuhangura ekiconco kya miliyoni 15 kandi Esther Chebet yasingura omu bakazi kandi nawe yatahana miliyoni 15.
Chebet Esther wins the 21. The half marathon.
Omu kilometers 10 Jabeth Chesuro niwe yasingura kandi ogu yahangura miliyoni 9 kandi Dismas Yeko hamwe na Dennis Cheprangat baba bakabiri hamwe n'owakashatu kandi uwo mu bakazi Nancy Chikurui niwe yasinga kuratirwe Charity Chebet hamwe na Gloria Chebet. Omuhwezi wa Speaker Thomas Taibwa niwe yajwekera mukuru w'ihanga nk'omugenyi mukuru kandi niwe yasimbura abirukangyi kandi ogu yasiima entebe y'ekanisa.
Omupakezi omu 10 kilometers nabasa kuba number 5 kandi nimpurira ndije munonga according oku nyine experience ya 800 and 1500 meters konkera izoba nagira feeling yo kwiruka long distance.
Nimpura wena shemerirwa go jana inahanguraho sita ko barampereze kureka munayiniza yezo coaches sita zante uko basa kundeta kureka kareti yako arusi kureka twashimira kushanga kabonayo zante
kabane zero bira kabane zanda first team z'amashimero gaje mu Tera High School na Tare School nangwa university ndabusanze munonga ko kankane zana indoor games kandi sprinter wa 400 na 800 ukwirukanye kumanya nye nasaba mingire munongo mu Western 99 na 2000 owakuza coach Budara mbara na Jimani na Rwanjire.
It would not have been what it is if our chief runner did not look our way. I know the task is that of inducting a new cabinet is a very, very awesome task, and it is understandable that he could not be here. But he assured us that this is a state occasion, and as you saw, it has taken that the bid.
Abasingura bahebwe ebiconco bya sente z'urukwingana miliyoni 120 amakuraga gashakwa Logias bya Mukama.